There's no denying that 2020 was a fucked up year, but in this video, I am not prepared to dwell on any of the bad stuff. I'm sure you guys are sick and tired of hearing all about that. If you don't mind, I'm going to take a little look at what happiness 2020 brought me. Back in January, I started making these small videos, and during such a crazy time, it's honestly been a blessing to focus on a hobby like this. My love for making videos started when I was about 16 years old, when I was making skateboard videos with my buddies back home. The entire process was so much fun, man. Visualizing something and then filming for hours sometimes to make that something a reality, and then editing it in a small video, being able to look back at your achievements. It's such a cool and empowering hobby to have at that age, it really is. I totally regret not filming more of those days, but I am so happy I filmed what I did. I love looking back at parts of my life, and I'm sure most of you feel the same way. Like when you look back at old pictures with family and friends, it's priceless. And early last year, I thought, if I regret not filming more back then, I know I'm gonna regret not filming more now. So that's when I decided to grab my camera gear and enjoy filming again. And if others enjoy watching too, then that's a pretty sweet bonus on top. In 2020, I filmed a lot of random, different things, but 2 or 3 really stand out to me as being close to my heart. The first being Lockdown Date Night. That was filmed right before the UK went into the first lockdown. There were rumours going around that the country was about to go into lockdown, and me and Rachel took that opportunity to have our last taste of freedom. And yeah, I just love that video because we're just so cute. We're cuties in that video, and I love looking back at it. Another video that I adore is Life Returning to Normal, where me, Rachel and my sister Georgia, we go on a random adventure in the woods, do a photography shoot, and I just basically vlog the day. It's an awesome video to look back on. And the last one I want to put on this list is we broke the lockdown rules and traveled to Bali. That video was hilarious to make, and it is hilarious to watch. I have not seen a single monkey yet though. Ah, that was crap acting anyway. Oh my god, there's a tuk-tuk.
Let's go get it.
Haha, tuk-tuk! We had big plans to go to Bali that year, and just like a lot of you experienced, so much things got taken away from us, and yeah, we weren't gonna let that stop us from going, so we went anyway, damn it, from the help of a green screen. If you haven't seen it yet, go and check that one out. So what else have I been up to, I hear you ask? Well, I've been keeping busy in whatever ways I can. During all this madness, I've been doing what most of you have been doing, and that's tidying up your house and redecorating. I've even decluttered and given away so many clothes, most of them being my mum's and sister's, I must add. Jesus Christ.
Boo!
The keep pile will get chucked over by the door, and the throw pile can just get left here. But let's just go through it. Look at this. So many of these clothes have tags on, and this is tagged at £95. Never even worn. My mum is crazy. Yeah, boy. Right, just black bags you need?
Yeah.
Alright then.
Alright.
Alright, I'll see you in a bit.
Bye.
Bye. What the That freaked out.
Yeah. Are you recording?
Yeah. Sorry. Look at you, isn't it?
I'll get you back.
Right, I'll really go to the shop now. And when restrictions ease on occasions, it's been important for me to just get out there in the fresh air and just make the most of whatever freedom we get given. Now, on the 18th of August, Rachel and I went through a terrible loss. A beautiful little member of the family sadly passed away, and his name was Smokey. He was the cutest, most adorable little guy ever with the kindest heart. And due to guinea pigs being social animals, we couldn't let Simon be on his own. Now, with lockdown and other restrictions going on, so many pet shops didn't have any pigs going up for adoption. Not even the guinea pig rescue centre that's local to our house could even help pair up Simon with a new buddy. But one day we went to go and get Simon some pet food from Pets at Home in Talbot, and there he was, one lonely male guinea pig who was the same age as Simon and who had already been named Flop. We just had to grab that chunky little boy and take him home to Simon. So we're about to pair up the guinea pigs, and I've heard that it's quite a tricky task. A lot of the time they can fight. One will assert dominance more than the other, and things can go real bad real fast. And this is our only line of defense if things go wrong. So fingers crossed let's see how it goes. Cuddled silently. Oh, what do you think of that then, Simon?
I think it was a cuddle.
Now, thankfully, they are the best of friends. One more thing that I gotta add to this 2020 list is that my sister Georgia, she has now officially entered the tattoo game. I knew it would happen eventually, and she deserves it more than anyone, and I'm pretty damn happy for her to practice on me as much as she wants. So it's a win-win situation. I want to take this moment to thank all the tattooists and everyone she works with that's helping her to grow as an artist. You guys are awesome, so thank you. Keep it up, G, you absolute machine. So good, man. Now, what's to come in 2021? Well, the main thing is that I need to look after myself. December is always the month of absolute indulgence and just going off track. So, since January's now here, it's ready to rock and roll, man. I have my rituals that I'm getting back into, and as long as I can look after my health, I feel that it'll give me the happiness and focus to be able to make the best content that I can create. I have loads of ideas that I just cannot wait to make into a reality. And if you are one of my very few subscribers, thank you for following me. I'm having so much fun, and the way I see it is that if I'm enjoying the journey, then I'm already successful. I'm also working hard as a carer, as you probably already know, and I'm progressing as a plumber too. I'm a pretty busy guy, so bear with me, because these videos might not come out as often as I'd like, but when they do, I hope you enjoy them as much as I enjoy creating them. So yeah, stay tuned. Well, I think that's all I want to say, to be honest. So if you don't mind, my coffee's getting cold. Well, not really. It's getting warmer, actually. Who buys iced coffee in the winter? Me, that's who. So, catch you later, I guess. See you soon.